If you plan to change RV tires yourself but don't know how to, in this video, we show you the tips the professional did, how to change tires easy peasy. If you find this how-to video informative, please give this video a like and leave a comment how it helps you in any way. Or any question you have, we will get back to you. I'm Rebecca. This is Mark, Johnny Woofer, and this is our home, lovely Flottante. We have been full-time living and traveling in an RV since 2015. This RV lifestyle gives us freedom to be able to take Johnny with us to travel everywhere. Besides documenting our travel adventures on our YouTube channel, we also sharing all kinds of experiences and tips related to RV living, varieties of reviews including RV types, campgrounds, products, and more. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, you can now click the subscribe button and click the bell, so that way you will get to see our next episode when it's launched. Hello everyone, welcome back to lovely Flottante. After our most recent cross-country trip, thousands of miles on the road, and we had to hit brakes hard a few times because of some cars cut in front of us. Our fellow RVers know what we are talking about here. This is our two front RV tires. Look at the picture here. It shows the damage caused to the tires when we hit the brakes hard. Tires have its certain lifetime, usually about 5 to 6 or maybe 7 years. Of course, it also depends on how many mileages on it. Do the tires exposed under the sun or any other reason? So it's better to get new tires before close to its lifetime. With the damage on the two front tires, although the rear tires still have lots of shred, but they are actually about 7 years old. So we decided to replace all of it with new tires. That way we can be at ease when we are on the road again. We found a mobile tire shop that would come to our location to do the job. For full-timers like us, it's very convenient, so we decided to have the professionals to do it. It only took the professional 2 hours to change 6 tires, and it's only one main job. Wow! If you want to change the tires yourself and want to do it like a pro, keep watching this video. We'll reveal the tricks that the professional does to make changing tires easy peasy. First, we start with the front tire. Remove old tire. Level front RV up, tires off ground. Then take the caps off. Remove air nozzle cap or TPMS sensor if applied. Then put jack stands on the axle for safety. Then remove nuts. Now we can remove the tire. Here's the first tip. When removing tire, put a pry bar underneath the tire. It will be easier to get it off the wheel. Take cap off. Then hammer tire to break the big seal. Put cardboards down to protect wheel. Here's the tip number 2. Apply soapy water in between tire and wheel to make it easier to get tire off. Here comes tip number 3. Use 2 pry bars to remove tire from the wheel. Then apply soapy water again in between tire and wheel before getting tire off. Then use 1 pry bar to separate tire from the wheel. Tip number 4. Before putting new tire onto the wheel, apply soapy water around inner tire. Tip number 5. Put balancing beads inside the new tire. Balancing beads are the economical way to balance the vehicle wheel assembly for the lifetime of the tire. Press down on sidewall of tire to position the bead onto the wheel. Use pry bar to set the second bead. Now it's time to pump air into tire. And remember to measure tire pressure. If you are not sure about the number, check with the manufacturer for your proper tire air pressure. Now the new tire is ready to install. Tip number 6. Use pry bar and your foot to position the tire onto the hub. aligning to the bolts. Remember to put the air nozzle cap or TPMS sensor if applied back on. Now you can put nuts back on, but don't tighten yet. Switch to work on the other front tire. Repeat all the steps that you did on the first front tire, and we will pick it up from the nuts part. Now we tighten nuts and put caps on the second front tire. The second front tire is done. We can go back to first front tire and continue the rest steps. Now we completed the front tires. Take jack stands out, lower the front, and raise the rear axle. Next, work on rear tires. Basically, repeat all steps you did on the front tires. However, because there are dually wheels in the rear, here are a few things to remind. First, remove a valve stem extension stabilizer. Second, distinguish a dually wheel. Remember to install the inner wheel first. Third, keep two valve stems next to each other. Valve stem on the outside wheel points in. Valve stem on the inner wheel points out. So you can put air nozzle cap or TPMS sensor if applied back on. Voila! Mission accomplished. So if you want to know, 6 tires cost us $3,500 US. Ka-ching! Look at it this way. Divide by 7 years. 500 each year. Not too bad, if that makes you feel better. Maintaining proper air pressure in RV tires is the best way to enhance tread life and overall performance. Improper tire inflation, worst case, can cause a permanent structural damage to the tire, including a tire failure. It's also important not to overload a particular side or axle on your RV. We have a great information on where to weight your RV, how to keep proper tire inflation, and how to install tire pressure management system, aka TPMS, in our different videos. We put the links in the end of this video, or you can find the links in the description below, or go to our YouTube homepage. You can find more details on RV tire maintenance and tips on our website at flottante.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video provides the information you need on changing RV tires, please give us a like and feel free to share this video. Comment below if you have a question. We continue to produce informative videos to benefit fellow RVers on how to repair things on RV. Subscribe and click the bell now to get notification on our next RV repair video.